Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video, and as always Nothing have again nailed it. They have updated their recorder application on Nothing Phone 2a, and that lets you record calls without that announcement which we see on Google Dialer. And here good thing is you don't even have to replace the Google Dialer. You can record calls with the stock recorder present on Nothing phones. So in this video we'll show you guys how does it work. So if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash the like button. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see I have two phones right now. Towards the left hand side this is Nothing Phone 2 and towards the right hand side this is Phone 2a. I'll show you how does this process work, and it's quite impressive what Nothing have done. So first of all, let me show you the recorder app version. If you go to app info, version is 1.8.0. I've installed the same version on Nothing Phone 2 also, but it's not working right now due to some reason. We might get to see this thing working on other Nothing phones also with Nothing OS 2.5.3. After installing the same version on Nothing OS 2.5.2, it did not work for me. So wait for an OTA update. Let's see if it works or not. I tried recording the calls, but there wasn't any kind of audio recorded on my Nothing Phone 2. But that's not the case here. So let me tell you how does it work. First of all, make sure you have updated the application. It should be 1.8.0, and later you can add the widget by going to the widget section. If the app is updated, you'll see recorder app here, and from here you can select the recorder widget. Once you select the recorder widget, it will ask you two options. One is only record the audio using the mic, and the second one is mic and system. So if you want to record the calls, you need to select this option, which is mic and system. This will help you record the calls also. So I have added this, and now let me show you how does it work. So I'll call on this number. So you can see I have called up on this number. So once you receive any call, or for example if you make a call, you just have to minimize and go to the home screen and tap on this recorder button. Now in the background your call is recorded, and you can see there is no announcement also. And I personally like the way how Nothing have integrated this thing. We all know if you record the call using the stock dialer, which is Google Dialer, we hear that announcement.
This call is now being recorded. Call recording has now ended.
But that's not the case with the Nothing recorder application. And here are the recordings which I recorded yesterday to test it out. So let me show you that recording. You can also take a look at the audio quality.
नहीं, मैं एक बार ऐसे एक कॉल किया था चेक करने के लिए कि इसमें कॉल रिकॉर्डिंग का फीचर था एक नया, वही चेक कर रहा था कि कॉल रिकॉर्ड होगा या नहीं है। तेरे को मेरी आवाज सही आ रही है ना? हाँ सही है। नथिंग फोन 2a में। सही है। चल ठीक है। Okay, bye.
So as you have heard the call recording, it's loud and clear. I'll still provide you guys the APK in the description below if you want to try it out other Nothing phones, and if due to some reason your application doesn't open after installing that APK, then what you can do is long press on the application, go to app info, tap on these three dots and uninstall the update. That will restore the previous version which was available on your device. So guys, this was a quick look, and I really appreciate the way Nothing added this call recording option on their Nothing Phone 2a. If you guys have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
Till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want.